We'll guide you through how to change the date and time on an Android Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone traveling and so you're in a country which uses a different time, or there's another reason why. Perhaps it's just been set incorrectly and so you want to go and have it correct, because it's really confusing if it's incorrect, as you may look at it and have a meeting or something like that and it go and be wrong. So to go and get started with this, we actually need to go and head to the settings on our device. To do this, what you can do is you can go and swipe up. This will go and open up the app pages and you can swipe across until you go and find the settings, swipe back or forth. Of course, you can always go and search at the top. What you can also do is go and drag down like this and go and press the gear or cog icon in the top right like so, and the settings will open. Next, you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for General Management. As you can see, here it is. You want to then tap on it. In General Management, you want to go and find date and time. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always press the search in the top right and you can go and type in date, or you could go and type in time. Just go and be patient while it goes and loads. It shouldn't go and take too long. We can then go and tap on it and here it is. Then you can go and tap on it there. So what we could do is if it's currently set automatically, you could switch that on. You could also go and switch it off as well if you want to go and set it manually. And what you can then do is go and press set date and you can go and choose the date you want to go and set it to. And then you can press done. And what you can also do is go and press set time and you can go and scroll and find the time you want. And then you can go and press done. Now, if I come out of here, you'll go and see we've now gone and changed it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.